today we are going to do Chakki Chalanasana or churning the mill pose. Well, this pose has enormous benefits, but what I would like to point out here is always remember to ease into the pose rather than fighting. So make sure that you don't hurt yourself while doing the pose. Sit with your legs stretched out in front of you and slowly take your legs apart, back as straight as you can, feet slightly flexed. Interlock your fingers and stretch your arms and come forward as much as you can. Reach for the toes of the left foot and start to roll around, moving from the hip joint like you're drawing an imaginary circle all the way to your right, and then finishing the circle by going all the way back and left and round again like churning the mill. Inhale while bending forward and exhale while back. If that's too difficult to coordinate, breathe normally. Stretch your body as much as you can and keep your back as flat as you can. Try not to move your legs much. A little movement of the thighs in the beginning is alright. You will feel the stretch in the arms, abdomen, groin and legs. Initially start with 5 rounds without stressing your body and repeat the same in anti-clockwise direction. Once the body is accustomed to the pose, you can increase it to 10 to 12 rounds in each direction. Do not overexert yourself while practicing this pose. Do not push yourself beyond the limits. Go only as far as your body allows. Remember, it's about easing into the pose rather than fighting with it.